What about those fish? You don't like them either, do you? Baron, what about them? What's up, Baron? Chip is like, what the hell's going on, man? That's a porcupine fish, you putz. If it sticks you in the nose, it's gonna hurt like a bitch. Baron, what are you doing? Chipper? Hello, Chip. Hello, Chips Ahoy. Hello, Chip, my boy. Hello, Chip. And Baron, you're at it again with the gosh darn fish. Doesn't matter if it's a stuffed fish or a living fish. You're after the fish. What's with you? Everything's got you curious. Baron, you're finally discovering the house after 2 weeks of being here? And the fish. Back to the fish. This is Baron's crazy existence. Baron. Chipper. Hello, Demure Boo. Back to the fish. You're fish crazy. What's with you? Back to the other fish, maybe. Not that fish, those fish. Them. What about these fish? Baron? The fish. The fish. Those fish, Baron. These. You don't like the fish.